Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Cancer water sign. This is mid-month reading for the month of September. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So first see your person feelings towards you. This side. So your feelings towards your person this side. Later we see mutual energy. So your person feelings towards you. Cancer, Ace of Swords, 8 of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, Temperance, and your feelings towards them, Page of Wands, Chariot, 10 of Cups, wow, 3 of Cups, wow, very very positive reading. I think your person feelings towards you, definitely they want to work on this relationship more and they want to take this relationship to next level, because Ace of Swords and 8 of Pentacles definitely working on this relationship and want to offer stability. Even if in past they didn't offer commitment, this time they want to offer stability and commitment to you, but they are waiting. They are waiting for the right moment. Temperance, patience and balance. Definitely they are thinking, they are waiting for you, because temperance is patience and balance. So communication, they want to communicate their feelings with clarity. They want to work on this relationship. Definitely they are thinking to work on this relationship and they want to take this relationship to next level. And your feelings towards them, definitely you also want to communicate to them and you also want to take this relationship to next level. The Chariot is here. Yes, you want a family with your person and you want to celebrate. Definitely if you are in separation, definitely there is a reconciliation, because 3 of Cups with 10 of Cups, definitely there is a chance, major chance for reconciliation. Those who are in separation, those who are in less contact and no contact, there is a communication is going happen between both of you. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sag, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Especially Cancer or Sagittarius, you or your person could be. Definitely both want to take things to next level, I am getting. So let's see mutual energy. Cancer. One card. Wow, Ace of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles. Wow, what I am saying from video starting, you both want to work on this relationship. Definitely you both want to work on this relationship and you both want to take to this relationship to next level. Definitely you both don't want to leave each other and both don't want to leave this relationship, because Ace of Pentacles, long-term commitment. Definitely you both, this is mutual energy, you both want this. So let's see more about you, Cancer. 10 of Wands, 5 of Pentacles. Yeah, if you are in separation, you are feeling very sad, very depressed, very burdened. Definitely there is reconciliation chance for you, because 3 of Cups with 10 of Cups, definitely there is a reconciliation. So let's see from your person's side more. Yeah, King of Swords, Queen of Swords, sorry. Definitely communication is the key here. Definitely you will both communicate. Yeah, Judgment. Definitely reconciliation. You person made some decision regarding this connection. Definitely they also want a commitment, and if they leave you in past, definitely they want to come back, because or if you leave this person, you want to go there and their justice happening there. Yeah, under the deck, Hangman. Someone in this connection may be stuck, spiritually awakening. Empress. Definitely you both are strong. You both stand by your power. Death. Yes, definitely one person in this connection undergoes some transformation. You or your person could be Scorpio, and under the deck, 6 of Swords. Definitely this could be long distance relationship also. The last card for the reading is, yeah, the Lovers, Gemini. Definitely you both love each other. Definitely there is equal love between both of you. Yeah, so definitely one person made major decision for regarding reconciliation. Those who leave the other person, that why the one person who leave the other person in this connection coming back to that person and want reconciliation. So this is the reading for you, Cancer. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.